Hey guys, it's John from Creative Tap. In this tutorial I'm going to be showing you blemish removal inside of After Effects to remove blemishes from photos. So this is our before, where we've got some sort of blemishes all up here, and this is our after, okay? Done a little bit of tidy up around the eyes as well. So yeah, this is what we'll be doing. I don't really like doing these tutorials because it's a bit rich. Obviously you don't know what I look like, most of you anyway, but yeah, I don't really enjoy doing this tutorial because I don't agree with all this kind of retouching stuff, but a lot of people want to know it, so I'm going to do it. So first of all, this image, the link will be available in the description. I'm going to rename this to BG, so I've got my background, and then I like to duplicate it just in case I want to go back, and I can turn the background off. Actually put background copy to the bottom, and because that's the copy, and we'll call this photo. Okay, I'd just like to keep a copy just in case I mess up. Now over on the left hand side you've got what looks like a plaster, or if you're American, a band-aid, and it's called the spot healing brush tool. Okay, so on my top photo, all I'm going to do is zoom in, and if I paint over this blemish by here, what it does is it resamples, so it looks at the pixels around it and it picks random pixels to build up a profile of what should go there. So again, a little blemish by here, it's going to sample pixels, just click and drag, and it'll keep sampling pixels just to kind of pick other random skin tones to cover it up with, and it'll try and pick close ones because obviously there's a lot of different tones. So all we do is we go over and we try and get the smoothest look possible. So there's a little freckle over there, and get rid of it, get rid of that, get rid of that. You can see there's a little spot there, and then it'll just pick nearby samples. So I'm going to go through, I want to get rid of this hair as well, it's quite distracting. There you go. And now come down to her eyes, there's a little bit of mascara here, click and drag over it, and it'll do the calculations. Stray hair, but there, I feel awful saying all this. I wouldn't like to ever work in the retouching industry, but I was a visual effects artist, so we had to do a lot of cleanup, whether that was set cleanup or artist and sorry, actress cleanup. So I have done this, but on actual footage. Anyway, enough of my life story. Just going to come across and pick some bits over here, so you can just do it in a click. Really, it's quite sad. But yeah, so what I'll do now is zoom out, and I'll turn my bottom layer on, and if I turn my top layer on and off, you can see just how far we've pushed this, okay? And you could even go as far as thinking, right, the highlights on this book by here, they're a little bit distracting, so you can, you know, clean up stuff like this, which is great, clean up all the scratches off this book. So let me just do all this. So yeah, it's not that bad of a tutorial anymore. I'm showing you how to do it with a book. I feel a little bit better now. Okay, and scratches this side, and get rid of these. So you know, you can use it to de-age a book, not just a person. So you know, there we go. Excellent. So now if I turn this on and off, you can see we've actually done it to the book as well. Excellent. Now, feel free to subscribe and like if this video's helped you. Leave a comment of what you want to see next. Check out our other tutorials. We've got an eye colour changing tutorial and a sort of teeth whitening tutorial. So, yeah, thanks for tuning in, guys, and hopefully see you in another tutorial. Cheers.